In a bright little house on Earth, there lived a curious kid named Nova. Nova adored anything to do with stars and planets, and always dreamed of adventures in space. One morning, while Nova was packing lunch for school, something utterly magical happened. The lunchbox on the table began to glow with a sparkling light. It shook, then, with a whoosh, soared up into the air. "Welcome, Space Explorer," boomed a friendly voice from inside the glowing box. Nova gasped, eyes wide with wonder. "I am the Cosmic Lunchbox, and today, you'll create a lunch fit to fuel the universe." The first stop was Planet Power Veggies. The lunchbox touched down on a green, lively planet bursting with crunchy tree trunks and sparkling rainbow rocks. Tiny alien veggies wriggled and waved hello. "Pick us for super strength," they cheered, so Nova popped in carrot stars, broccoli trees, and sweet corn moons. The lunchbox chimed, "Veggies give you rocket muscles." Suddenly, with a whiz and a spin, Nova and the Cosmic Lunchbox zoomed into the fruit galaxy. All around them, strawberries twirled like comets, bananas floated like crescent moons, and blueberries bounced like little planets. Nova grinned, scooping up handfuls of colorful fruit. "Fruits power your brain and keep you smiling," sang the Cosmic Lunchbox. Next came Protein Planet, a snuggly place shaped exactly like a giant sandwich. Friendly Foods called out, "Choose something to help you grow strong." Nova nodded and picked egg slices, cheese cubes, and a swirly spoonful of nut butter. "Protein helps you grow tall like a rocket ship," boomed the lunchbox approvingly. With a gentle pop, Nova was whisked to the Energy Star Zone. Here, golden stars made of whole grains shimmered and spun. Nova added whole grain bread and soft rice bites. "These give you energy to play, learn, and explore," exclaimed the Cosmic Lunchbox. Finally, the pair drifted towards Hydration Station. Silvery bottles of cool water floated around like shooting stars. "Don't forget space fuel," whispered the lunchbox. Nova tucked a bottle of water into the corner. Back at the kitchen table, the Cosmic Lunchbox gently landed, its adventure done. Nova peeked inside and saw the most amazing DIY cosmic lunch, colorful, healthy, and ready for any adventure. At school, Nova felt strong, happy, and full of cosmic energy the whole day long. The Cosmic Lunchbox whispered from the backpack, "Healthy food makes every kid a star." Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.